dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here in Cinque Terre on the coast of Italy. I'm here with my lovely photographer friend Margo.
Hello.
And my lovely model Skyler. Hi. We are going to be shooting. Margo uses a 5D Mark III and she uses a 35mm 1.4 prime lens. That's the only lens she uses. I find that really interesting. So we are going to shoot, I'm gonna stick with, I believe, my 28-70 lens f2 and my R5, and we're just gonna shoot sky and show you guys the difference between the photos and just bring you guys along behind the scenes. I have linked both of their Instagrams down in the description below, so make sure you check them out. Hit the little like button, subscribe, and the little bell button so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna start shooting Skylar here by the umbrellas. We're gonna backlight her because the light is really, really harsh right now, so I feel like it would be tough on her eyes. So I'm gonna start here. My ISO is at 100 since the sunlight is very bright. I sometimes vary between 100 and 400. Cloudy. So apparently in Italy there are private beaches. I haven't researched this myself. Apparently this is a private beach. We were supposed to ask before we shot. We did ask. It was misinterpreted. So we're getting back to shooting. I am shooting at an ISO 100 for all you ISO warriors out there. Just for reference, I do shoot between ISO 100 and 400 when I shoot outside. Sometimes it's cloudy when I first begin, so I start at ISO 400 and I don't really change it as I go. Maybe I should change down, but I just don't notice a big difference in the photos in the end. I never really notice any grain. When you're using quality gear, you don't really see that. So I don't really see a difference, just as an explanation so that you guys understand. Right now I am at ISO 100, it's very bright outside, and I'm shooting at an f5 because I kind of want a little bit of the background in focus as it is very beautiful, and my shutter speed is 1/400th of a second. Gorgeous. This rock behind her is gorgeous. The line of umbrellas behind her is really cool. Come up here. Yeah, beautiful sky. I love. These are gorgeous. Come to the back of the chair, almost like right here. Maybe put a hand on it, like you're... Another thing I love about the landscape here, all the colorful houses and the dramatic rocks. So I kind of wanted to get some of that in the background as well. We are gonna light her. It is a little harsh right now, so I'm gonna do a little countdown for her eyes and maybe do some candid shots of her looking away from the camera in order to not have the like crazy squinty eyes and be able to like capture this beautiful scenery. So here I'm shooting a little bit wider, like 35mm, which is Margo's favorite focal length, because I do want to get more of the background in these shots. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And then let's do a few, maybe ditch the shirt for a few. So now we're gonna do some of her sitting just to change it up a bit. Again, I love this coastline, so I'm gonna shoot this way, but I may move around just a little bit. Ooh, I kind of love this big wide shot here with the whole city. Yeah, that's beautiful sky. So here I'm at like in between 35 and 50 mil. Gorgeous. I'm getting the whole skyline, everything. Yeah, I normally don't get to shoot so wide like this because I don't have the best scenery in Malibu. It is beautiful, but you don't have a coastline like this. That's beautiful sky. So I'm absolutely loving this. But even zooming in tight, these are gorgeous. Yeah, that's beautiful sky. Put your chin up more, like face towards the sky. You can keep your eyes closed, yeah. And then chin more towards me. Yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous.
Turn a little more this way. I do kind of want your bottoms to be like covered. Yeah. I'm shooting at f2.0 and my shutter is at 3200. My ISO is at 100. It's beautiful because the reflections from the water are shooting back up at her face, giving me sort of like a mini reflector vibe. Wow, stunning. Do a couple more. Yeah, kind of like look up at me. Stunning.
Bruja vibras, speak in tongues, ma. Put that spell on me. Brujeria.
Chin up slightly towards the sun. Beautiful. Two more.
Bruja vibras, niñas fanan. Cuando me miras, sí, yeah. Tú me hiciste brujería, tú me hiciste brujería, tú me hiciste brujería a mí. Tú me hiciste brujería.
So now I'm gonna shoot Sky walking into the water as she's first going out into the water. I love these cliffs in the background. I just wanted to capture that along with Sky. So maybe a few candid moments here, Sky, would be really nice. Ooh, that's gorgeous. I'm actually shooting a lot wider than I usually do. That's beautiful, Sky. Because I love the scenery here and I don't want to miss it. Cool. Maybe you're adjusting your bikini. Yes, gorgeous. I like my photos to look really natural, like something's actually happening as opposed to being super posy. That's beautiful, Sky. And we'll get some tighter shots here too. Gorgeous. I wanted to capture the clear water below her and the sparkle of it. Yes, beautiful, Sky. So I'm doing a few more moody shots here. Turn your body a little more towards the sun. Yeah, beautiful. The landscape with the umbrellas, everything's such a vibe here. I feel like if Sky just kind of does her thing, we'll capture some really beautiful images. Again, shooting a lot wider than I'm used to. So we do have this scenery. That's beautiful, Sky. And then maybe turn towards the sun for a few. Or like, yeah, towards that way, yeah. Ugh, so pretty. I say ugh, and then I say pretty.
I'm shooting Sky right now, backlit, with beautiful blue skies in the back and this little cove vibe, sort of an Italian version of a Malibu cove. I'm shooting at f2.0 and 2000 shutter speed and 100 ISO. Beautiful. Italian dream. I'm gonna come in a bit closer. Yes, perfect. With your face slightly up like that is really nice. Close, beautiful. The light is hitting so nice. Yes, drama.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. Make sure again you guys check out Margo and Sky's Instagram. I've linked them both down in the description below. Let me know down in the comments what you think, which lens you would prefer to shoot on here on the coast of Italy. And yeah, like, subscribe, bell button, all the things. I'll see you guys next time.